We are on the radio show Talk to Tanu. On this, RJ Tanu talks to her listeners and guests about different topics. Today, with them, we will learn about how to solve problems.
Good morning. I am RJ Tanu and you are on Talk to Tanu. Yesterday we discussed problems and how to understand the main reason of a problem. Today we will talk about solving these problems.
In this lesson, you will learn that to solve problems, we need to think creatively. We can use methods like mind maps and FIDS to solve problems.
Yesterday we learned the why trick that helps us understand the main reason of a problem. After that, we need to think of ideas to solve the problem. To get good ideas, we need to think creatively. I'll tell you a story. In 1951, India was getting ready for its first election. But there was a problem. More than 80% Indians could not read or write. The government was very worried. How will people read the name of the party that they want to vote for? How will they be able to vote? They did not have much time. It was not possible to teach everyone how to read and write. So, what did they do? How did our government solve this problem? They gave a symbol to each party. For example, the Indian National Congress's symbol was this, and the Communist Party of India's symbol was this. There were many other parties. Each party had a different symbol. People who did not know how to read remembered the symbols. This way, they were able to vote easily. This is called thinking creatively. So friends, all of us need to think creatively. What do you do to get creative ideas? Call me up and share. Hi, I'm Alia. When I get tired, I stop getting good ideas. So, I take a break and go for a walk. After this, my mind feels fresh. Then I can think of solutions easily.
Hi, I am Bhaskar. When I don't get good ideas to solve a problem, I take suggestions from my family and friends. We all think differently. Many times, their ideas help me think of the best solutions.
Hi, I am Rupa. In our college, we learned how to make mind maps. This helps us think of many different ideas. Thank you, listeners, for your calls. Rupa just told us about mind maps. I love making them. They help me understand the problem and then solve it. Let us learn more. Click on the paper. This is a. Thank you, listeners, for your calls. Rupa just told us about mind maps. I love making them. They help me understand the problem and then solve it. Let us learn more. Click on the paper. This is a mind map that I made on time management. In the center, I wrote the heading Time Management. Then I wrote the first thought that came into my mind about it. I asked myself, why do I need it? I wrote down all the things that came to my mind. One thought led to another. This way, I started writing all the thoughts that are connected to each other. This made one group of thoughts. Like this, I made many groups of thoughts. And then I connected some thoughts to get ideas to solve my problems. After making this mind map, I realized that I waste a lot of time on social media. I also want to read the news every day, but I never have time for it. Here are some ideas I got. Put a 10-minute alarm when I start using Facebook or social media. Wake up early to read the newspaper. Make daily lists to finish daily targets. I used these ideas and now I can manage my time better.
Here are two more mind maps. Click on them to make them larger. It's your turn now. Choose any problem that you have. Now, make a mind map to understand it and think of solutions. Click here to see the steps for making a mind map. Click here to learn more about making mind maps. Click here to download a mind map template. You can add more shapes to it yourself.
Welcome back, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed making your mind map. Next, we will speak to someone special. She will tell us about a great method for managing problems. Welcome, Sudha ma'am.
Hello, Tanu. Thank you for having me on the show. I want to share a story with your listeners. A group of school children in Pune were facing a problem. They wanted to learn football, but they did not have a coach. Do you know what they did? They tried to think how a professional team would play. One of the students knew how to play well, so he taught it to some more students. Together, they made a good training program. Soon, their team started winning inter-school competitions. They also helped 7 other school teams in learning football.
Wow, Sudha ma'am, that's amazing. How did they do this?
By using a method called FIDS. Feel, imagine, do, share.
Wow, can you tell us some more?
The first step is to feel. When you have a problem, feel it. Pay complete attention to that problem. By feeling it, we will be able to understand the main reason for the problem. The next step is imagine. Imagine how you want to solve this problem. Think of creative ideas for doing this. The third step is do. You need to do something about your ideas. You have to work hard to solve problems. The last step is share. Share how you solved the problem with other people. Use social media. This way, you will inspire others to solve problems in their life.
Wow, Sudha ma'am, thank you for sharing the FIDS method. I am sure we can all solve problems by using this.
You have learned about two great methods to solve problems. Discuss these with a friend. Like the football team from Pune. Is there some problem you and your friends have? Use FIDS and solve your problem.
We are at the end of our problem-solving series. Remember, life is a problem-solving journey. To solve problems, ask questions to understand the main reason. Then use mind maps or FIDS. Think creatively to solve the problem. Keep solving problems.